Hello guys, today we're talking about CSS Selector Part 3 and we'll be looking at the ID selector. An ID selector is a type of CSS selector that targets single unique HTML element based on its ID attribute, and we're going to be looking at some example of it on our VS Code. As you can see on the HTML document, I'm going to write the content of what we're going to style on the h1 tag, and I'm going to write the context. This is my web page. After which I'm done with that, I'll go straight to the opening tag of the h1 tag, and I'll also put the ID attribute, and we're going to name the ID attribute header because that is what we're going to use to style. Once we're done with the h1, we'll move over to impute a paragraph tag, and also we're going to write the context of what we're going to style, which is this is a paragraph. After which we are done with this is a paragraph, we'll move over to the opening tag of the paragraph, and we're also going to indicate the ID selector, and we are going to name the ID page. Once we're done with that, we'll move over to the CSS document, and before we impute our ID selector, we are going to start with an hashtag, and we'll put the name of the special ID, which is header, and we are going to style the color. We're going to style the color gray. After which we're also going to style the font size. We're going to style the font size 50 pixels. When we're also done with that, we're also going to impute the hash sign, and we're going to put the ID selector, the special ID selector, which is page. Then we'll also impute what we're styling. We're styling the color of the page. We'll make the color light blue. Let's make it light blue. After which we're done with that, we'll also style the font size, and we'll style the font size 30 pixels. When we're done with that, we'll move over to the HTML document, and we'll right click to see what we've styled so far. And as you can see, you can also notice the difference between the class selector and the ID selector. Thank you.